Let's start already. This is Summer again, no, your host for tonight, a coach, a trader, and account manager under Sky Alliance Market. So for the information of everyone, Sky Alliance Market is a broker under Forex Trading. So if you have like known other names of brokers, it is just the same. No. And the Sky Alliance Market offers services in terms of Forex trading. So we will know that much more later on. The topics. So I will just give you the outlines of our topic. So how Forex trading works, okay, trading platform, similarities between a Forex trading and an ordinary business. Kasi other people's really like differentiate, iba yung Forex trading. It's not a kind of business. Like, it's not a kind of typical business. Iba rin dito sa ordinary business na sinasabi natin. No? So I will give you similarities in comparison with that one. Currency pair. So we are doing um, trades based on currencies. All right. So we'll know that later on. This spread, pip, leverage, take profit, stop loss, lot size are topic to be discussed. Types of traders. So you will know later on if you will start your journey to be a forex trader. You will know what kind of trader are you. Types of chart and how candlestick works. Okay. Support and resistance. Then a pyramid of a successful trading. All right. So we do have like a lot of topics. So you can take note, especially newbies. I really advise you to take notes if you're really interested in how forex trading will help you in your future goals. Okay. So pandemic. At this point of time, we are on the midst of pandemic. It's really hard. Right? Life is hard. There are jobs na na-cancel. There are jobs na na-stop. So most of us individuals experience ng hard time in terms of supplies, daily needs like that. So in times like this, it's hard to go outside to provide something in our tables. This is very true. Okay? Hindi naman lahat, but most of us, all right, are experiencing this type of situation right now. Second, most of us can't rely only on one source of income, right? Kasi there are areas that are limited only because of this pandemic. Hindi katulad dati when you're experiencing doing this stuff, your job is like this, like go around the world, but now it's limited. So that makes our supply, our source of income is also limited. No? At this point of time, parang we can think that it's really hard na iisa lang yung aking source of income. I need to look for more to provide something in my table. So we are looking for other business opportunity as a source of income. So iisipin nyo, if you do searching, no, I am not against with employees, I'm not against with other type of jobs, but sino ba yung yumayaman? Mga mayayaman sa buong mundo? Is it the one na may boss ka, or is it the one na ikaw yung boss that you are having different kinds of business? Okay? You can easily Google that. Search that on Google. Sino ba yung mayayaman? Dito sa Pilipinas, sino ba yung mga mayayaman? Is it the president or those businessmen? Marami, di ba? So, try to think of it. So, earnings can be found in so many ways. So, at this point of time, we're looking for something to provide for ourselves, to provide to our family. So, as long as we're doing it along the way, na wala tayong natatamaan, wala tayong nasasagasaan na ibang tao, it's okay. It's type of earning that we can do so. Okay? So, I think you are all here for that same reason. Kasi nararamdaman ko, mga nararamdaman nyo. Alright? Nandito kayo ngayon, well, that was my first approach on Forex trading as I relate to you guys. So, especially sa mga walang idea in Forex trading. That is my first approach. I need to have like something other than this one. Hindi kaya tong ganitong status ko ngayon to provide my daily. So I need to look for something. So I think you are all here for that same reason. Then maybe Forex trading can help you in times like this. We will know that later on. And by the way, because gusto ko rin magkaroon ng conversation like later on sa inyo, no? If you do have questions really, don't hesitate to throw that in our chat box. I will read that from time to time. Okay, and I will give my best shot to answer to address your concern in relates with our topic for tonight. Okay? So how it works, how forex trading works. As you can see in the picture, it's like exchanging currencies. Hindi po yan ang pagbibigay ng allowance ni mama sa inyo. Yung mga kabataan days niyo pa. It's trading, exchanging value of currencies. Okay? First, we as a trader do buying and selling currency. Napaka ano, no? Napaka like, tama ba? Literal na pera, literal na fiat money, and we're buying and selling money? That is a question already. And I do believe that also marks on your mind right now. Sa isipan nyo. Literal na pera, magbabuy and sell ka, okay lang siguro sa sasakyan, right? Pero ito, literal na pera, is it really working? Okay, that would be some of your questions. Second, so as the same as other trading industry, we buy currency as when its value is low and sell when the value is high. If you compare other trading industry, ano ba, can you share some trading industry that you know, kahit anong klase ng industriya, as long as it's trading? Ano ba yung mga example that I can give you? Hindi naman lahat dito sa inyo is stock market trader. Hindi naman lahat sa inyo dito is Bitcoin, cryptocurrency trader. Hindi naman, no? Siguro ano, buy and sell, sasakyan. Okay? So, for example, if I will be a businessman who owns a buy and sell business under cars, do I buy a car na mataas yung price, bebenta ko na mura? Does it work that way? So, hindi, di ba? So, I need to buy a car as cheap as I can. Mas babaratin ko kasi negosyante ako eh. Then, I will sell the car in a highest price that I can. So, doon ka kikita. It's just the same here in Forex trading. The thought is like we buy currency when the value is low and sell that currency when the value is high. All right? So, we will have the basis when to buy or sell currency. Hindi kasi yan basta-basta. Hindi lang ganito may nakita ka ganun, buy agad. Nakita mo lang like sabay sa uso. No. We will approach this forex market is a commitment or a serious type of business that we need to earn too. So lahat po ng ating gagawin, like paano tayo bibili, paano tayo bibenta, we will have basis on that. That makes we need to study forex trading. Okay? Hindi lang siya basta-basta na buy and sell. Yes? How can you determine that the buy is low already if you see prices na sobrang dami na mababa? Yun, di ba? That is the question. How can you sell that currency? Yes, you can see that the price is high, but maraming price na matataas. Saan banda doon? That will be the question. Sa isipan nyo, I think, ngayon, di ba? So we will have basis on that. So we need to study Forex trading. So Forex trading profit can attain with both buy and sell. All right? So we can attain profits through buy and sell. This will be the example. Excuse me. As you can see, kita naman siguro, ano? The blue ones reflects the positive trades and the red ones reflects the negative trades. So as you can see, meron most of that trade, actually that was my trade last week. Okay? Last week, not this week, but last week. That was my trade last week, and the red ones are like failed trades under sell area. But I do have profits on buying. So dagdag na kalituhan sa isipan nyo ngayon. How can you profit on buying? Now, in a regular basis of trade buy and sell in trading industry, you can have only profit on selling, right? Kahit sa stock market, kahit sa cryptocurrency, like you sa dito under stock market, bibilhin mo muna mura yung share. Okay? Then you will wait. I don't know if when the time comes na aakyat yung price ng ano na yun ng dito. Baka mo siya isa-sell kasi doon ka pa kikita. Sa pagbabay, wala kang kita doon. Not same here on forex trading that hindi katulad dito sa forex trading na as you can see on your screen, kahit may fail ako sa selling, bumawi naman ako sa buying. All right? So later on, I can show you also some of my um, result of trades this week. This was last week, okay? So $106. So how much is that? Around more than 5,000 pesos, right? Last week, not this week. So transparency of price shown as the provided by liquidity. So who was that, or who are those liquidity? Okay, so one of the biggest participant of forex trading is the banks. Okay, not just our local banks like BPI, BDO, hindi po yan sila. Those are the banks like, for example, BSP, our Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, and other central banks of each country globally. So, makikita talaga natin sa ating trading platform, okay, the software that we are doing our trades, kung magkano yung price if you buy, and magkano yung price if you sell that certain currency. Okay? Makikita mo talaga doon. Okay? Ano pa ba? 100% control of your own trading. Opening and closing of trades can be done anytime you want. Ano pa? I will not tell a specific name of a trading industry. Na like the same with forex, how forex trading works, but the difference is pagdating sa closing of trade, you will wait for a certain time so you can close the trade. Dito sa forex trading, as long as you can see that the trade is going good or nagkaka-profit ka na, you can close it anytime you want. Kahit mag-profit ka sa buy, close it. Later on, you do selling, close it. As long as that will be enough for you for the day. Okay? Kasi you have the full control of your trading. Karang katulad lang yan na magtatayo ka ng negosyo at this point. Okay? Wala kang tiwala sa ibang tao dyan sa paligid mo. You need, like, ako na, kakapain ko tong negosyo kong ito para ma-monitor ko talaga how my business will work for the next few days. It's just the same here forex trading. You will control your own stuff. You will control your own capital, your own business. Hindi katulad dati na pagbigay mo, biglang bula. Okay? So let's move on with that. That is not the real forex trading. Baka yun yung natatak sa isipan nyo. That was not the real forex trading. Here in forex trading, transparency with your capital, with your trades, is nasa inyo, 100%. Alright? So, US dollar is commonly used in trading. May mga iba na gumagamit ng euro, but globally, most ginagamit talaga globally is US dollar. Okay? So, if we do our trades, if we start our trading maybe by tomorrow or by Monday, so kung magkano man yung palitan ng peso into dollar, so we will just exchange our money into dollars, then it will reflect on our account. Makikita nyo talaga doon. Kasi marami talagang nagtatanong, ano ba yan, Summer? Pag nag-deposit ba kami, makikita ba namin yung pera namin? Yes po, 100%. Then you do your trading. With the provision and with the guidance of Sky Alliance Market with your learnings, nandyan po kami para tutulong sa trading nyo. Okay? So marami talagang tanong na ganyan eh. So, ganun din yung mga tanong ko dati when I really start Forex trading. So Forex market operates from Monday 6 a.m., Saturday 5 a.m. Like it's working from 5 days, 24 hours a week. Because why? Syempre, one of the biggest liquidity providers or the liquidity providers, yung mga prices na provide ng prices kung magkano yung buying price, magkano yung selling price are the banks, right? So the working hours of banks like start from Monday up to Friday only. But why did I stated Saturday 5 a.m.? This is based on Philippine time. Kasi nga sa New York or sa US, alright, yung Saturday 5 a.m. natin, that will be like Friday 5 p.m. doon sa kanila. So they will be the last market to close on weekend. And the first market that will open on Monday, by Monday, is the Australia. Okay, Australia. So, sabihin natin, ang ibang industry like stock market like operates 9:30 a.m. closes 5 p.m. on Philippine time. Forex trading operates Monday 6 a.m. till Saturday 5 a.m. 24 hours. That makes if busy ka sa umaga, you can do tradings at night. If busy ka naman sa gabi, then vice versa. So the question is, do I really need to be a full-time trader? Yes, if you can, that will be an advantage. Pero for me, as your host, as your coach in Sky Alliance Market, hindi pa ako talaga nagto-trade ng full. Kasi I do have like different responsibilities to do with. So, I will share my time kung ilan lang yung trading hours ko sa isang araw. It's like 4 to 5 hours lang po. 4 hours, 5 is like extended na yan. But like constant, I'm doing just 4 hours of trading. So, mga nagpa-follow ng aking story, nagpo-post sa Facebook. So that kind of profit that I can hit like daily, 4 hours, 5 hours. You don't need to, it is not necessary pala. No, the point is, it is not necessary to do it 24 hours, but it will be an advantage. Okay? If you do it. Pero syempre naman matulog din kayo. Okay? Aanhin natin yung profit natin pag yung sarili natin is maraming sakit. Okay? Hindi naman tatakbo ang forex market eh. Alright? So much for that. And please don't hesitate to ask questions if you do have really in your mind. So baka yung question nyo kasi ngayon, pareho din yung sa kasama natin dito. General na lang yung pagsagot ko, di ba? Huwag pong mahiya. Please. So MT4, this is our trading platform. So there are two types. Okay, one will be installed sa ating desktop, PC, or laptop. And the other one, we can download it through App Store or Play Store. So like the difference is yung mga tools yung forma ng tools, ano pa ba? Wider screen. So sa tingin nyo, sir, or Summer, ano mas maganda gamitin, desktop or cellphone? To be honest, at this point of time, minsan sa cellphone na lang ako nagto-trade. Kasi hindi naman sa lahat ng oras nandiyan lang ako sa bahay. Okay? Kapag nandiyan ako sa bahay, mas advantage ang laptop. Why? Kasi mas malawak yung screen. The wider screen you will have, the better of analyzing the market. So with this type of like in your screen, we will analyze the market. Oh, nakakalito, no? Nakakalito at the very first phase ng inyong trading industry. But you don't need to worry. Mas advantage nga sa inyo ngayon na may mga coaches na ganito na maggagabay sa trading nyo. Okay? And the advantage is like, I don't really ask for a single penny. No? As long as you are in Sky Alliance Market, there are a lot of coaches here that really can guide you in your trading journey. All right, so further with this, like how to navigate MT4, maybe we can set a different schedule by next week, I think. So we will just keep you posted and updated at the same time. Okay, so kung kailan yung schedule na yan. Kasi malaking tulong din yan. Anot-anot pa, ang dami nyo nang natutunan, pero pag navigate, paano gawin, ano ang gagawin sa trading platform, hindi nyo alam. Alright, so magsisket tayo ng schedule dyan. So here, this is one of my favorite like topics to discuss. Kasi most of us, most of us, like iba yung approach sa forex trading because of history, because of what happened. Ganon, di ba? So iba yung napapasok sa isipan natin, what is forex trading? Is it really a business or not? So let's look at it. So first, makakapagtayo ka ba ng negosyo pag wala kang capital? Siguro naman hindi. Sa business kaya, ordinary business kaya, pareho. You can't really start a business if you don't have really a investment or a starting fund to start with. Okay? Ano pa ba? Trading plan. Okay? Bakit may trading plan? Kasi nga, you will prepare for something in your trading. Hindi lang basta may capital ka na, nag-aral ka na, wala kang plano. Anong mga balak mo in the future? In what happens if, kanino mga tanong if this will be, I will encounter this on the future in forex trading, what will be my like diversion or solution? The same goes with like business plan. Right? Sino ba yung mga ano natin dito? Like graduates of economics, marketing management under business. Business plan, di ba? Ang dami. Strategy, ano pa. It's just the same with Forex trading. So we do have like similarities. Okay? Money management. Money management. Nagka-profit ka lang sa Forex trading, ang unang inisip mo kaagad bibilhin is sasakyan. That will not be a problem kasi meron tayong mga goals. Okay? So, dito sa business naman, money management, nagka-profit tayo. So, siguro depende sa business na tinayo natin, ano? So, bumili rin tayo ng sasakyan. Eh, may mga priorities tayo. Especially like, kailangan natin ng pagkain sa parang araw. Hindi naman problema mangarap ng sasakyan, guys, ha? Kasi pangarap ko din yan. Alright? Much bigger, no? Na sasakyan. So, anong nangyari kasi? Hindi mo pa nga, like, nakuha yung capital mo, like, diversification of yung profit mo. Iba na kaagad yung naging goal mo. So, what if that business will fail? Okay? Hindi mo man lang na ano yung ng return ng capital mo. Okay? Because there will be a possibility of failure. Okay? Possibilities of failure. When list number 4, risk. If you don't have this, if you not apply this one, kahit may capital ka pa sa forex trading, kahit may capital ka pa sa ordinary business, if the basic stuff like number 2 and number 3, wala kang ganyan, mas mataas ang risk natin sa negosyo. Believe me or not, agree with me or not, that is the reality. Okay? Risk and risk and risk will be always be there in any types of business. Sabihin mo, ayaw ko dyan sa forex trading kasi lalabas na naman yung word na risk. Risk taker. Iba naman kasi yung risk taker, parang gutsy kasi talaga yung natao eh. Kung pwede pang tumalon sa ganito, ganyan, tatalon talaga eh. Hindi nag-iisip. Ganun, iba kasi yun. But if we will discuss risk, kahit nagmamaneho ka lang, no? May nagmamaneho pala dito. I'm sorry, brother. Maingat ka dyan, ha? Kung nakikinig ka ngayon kasi naaliw siya sa sound trip kanina while driving. Eh. So, wag na lang yung pagmamaneho. Naglalakad ka ngayon. Hindi ka tumitingin sa daanan mo. Patanga-tanga ka konti. Sorry for my term, ha? So, nadapa ka, nasugatan ka. Kasi nga, you're not watching on your way. That will be the basic example I can give you. Doon pa lang, nandun na yung risk na may endanger yung part na yun na sugatan mo, baka magkaroon ng magka-colloid pa, ano pa ba, no? Uh, magkatawag dyan, infection pa. So, that is just the same thought idea that I'm sharing you guys. So, kahit itong number 2 at number 3 lang, wala kayong ganyan sa any kinds of business, kahit i-reflect mo sa Forex, mataas ang percentage ng risk. That's why we need to learn, okay? Nandito kayo ngayong gabi para gagabayin namin kayo under Sky Alliance Market to learn how to do Forex trading, right? All right. So profit is given already. Ano't pat magtatayo tayo ng negosyo if hindi naman hindi naman natin habol yung profit. Okay? Given na yan. But here, the number 6, the ROI. Lahat naman kasi ganito talaga approach. Return of investment or yung balik sa inyo. So, is there a similarity between them sa forex trading and sa ordinary business? Let's see. So, number 6, ROI can be attained in a short or long period of time. It depends on how you do your trading. In ordinary business, most of the time, ROI or return of investment can be attained in a long period of time. Okay? So may mga negosyo po ng barbecue dyan, sari-sari store at the moment, ilang buwan pa po bago natin kahit yung capital may balik sa atin. Alam nyo yan, di ba? Pero dito kasi, based on experience in trading, you can really attain profits or the ROI in a short period of time. It depends really on how you will study the market kasi. Ganyan lang yan eh. If you really committed in your studies, sino ba nang hindi nag-aaral? Kahit sabihin natin, may mga kasama tayo, hindi tayo naka-produce ng college level because of some reasons. That will not be a problem. Pero all of us siguro naka-experience ng high school. At bakit tayo nag-aaral sa high school? Ilang libro ang pinag-aaralan natin. Di ba? So we need to study. No? Yung iba, mga nag-graduate ng I honors. Katulad din dito, if you really study forex trading, along the way, you will really achieve the goal that you are looking for. Okay? It's a matter of time. Hindi naman lahat sa atin malakas mag-absorb. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na mahina ako mag-absorb. Ako, mahina ako mag-absorb ng mga lectures. Bagsak na kaagad ako sa pag-trade. No, it's not. We are different kind of people. It is a matter of only how we approach our studies here in Forex trading. So don't worry. Nandito kami as your coaches to guide you. Okay? Now, moving on. So, this is an example of a base and a quote currency. So, sa Forex trading, guys, okay, hindi iisang currency lamang. Kasi nakita nyo na kanina how Forex trading works. We buy and sell a currency. So, in our trading, especially on our trading platform, in our software, lahat na makikita natin doon is pares talaga. So, ang tawag sa kanila is currency pair. And the first, or on the left side, that is called as base currency. Sa kabila naman, sa right side, that is called as a quote currency. So, paano ba gumagalaw ang dalawang ito? At dito rin, ma-explain ko sa inyo. Bakit? Kahit magbabay ka, magpa-profit ka. Okay, di ba? So, focus. Listen. On the left side, that is called as base currency, ang value po niyan is 1. Papalitan ko yung kulay. Nakikita nyo ba sa baba? Ito yon. Kahit sino man yan, kasi yung sa example natin now is euro. Familiar ba sa inyo yung euro na na currency? So, sabihin natin, hindi si euro ang nandyan. As long as nakaposition siya sa left, ang tawag sa kanya base. Ang kanyang value always is 1. Dito naman sa kabila, on the left side, on the right side, kasi pareho tayo nakaharap eh. Yun yung conversion niya. For example, si euro nasa base, ibig sabihin 1 ang kanyang value. So, ang value ni USD in terms of 1 euro is 1.4 something. Is 1 euro. And ano pa ba? Sa forex trading, kaya nangyayari may mga profit ka sa buying. Kasi pare sila, 'di ba? Ganito kasi ang nangyayari diyan eh. Sa left side palagi fixed na yan na ang value niya is 1. Sa right side naman, yun yung kanyang magiging value in terms kung sino man yung nasa base. Okay? So, anong nangyayari? For example, si euro is buying USD. Anong gagawin ni USD? Kasi pagbabuy siya, anong gagawin ni USD? Magsisell siya. Right? So in such way, if you do buying on this currency, bakit ka nagkaka-profit? Kasi kasama pa rin to eh. Bumibenta pa rin. So magkano yung kinikita niya doon, yun ang tumatakbo. Okay? Na result sa buying mo, profits mo. So sa selling, given na yan already. Okay? Parang vice versa lang ba? So kasi pag nag-buy ang isang currency, nagsisell ang isa. So pag nagsisell ang isa, nagbabuy ang isa, ganun. So ganun sa forex trading, if you just click buying, you will buy this currency, nagkaka-profit ka talaga. And it is really transparent doon sa pinakita ko kanina na result. Doon sa result of my trades last week. Na yung sa sell ko na area, it's negative. Sa buy ko naman ako bumawi. No? Kagandahan kasi sa forex trading, parang may buffer siya ba? Hindi katulad sa ibang trading industry na pag nag-fail ka sa sell, pag nag-buy ka ulit, syempre wala kang profit doon. You will wait again for how many? Kailan pa ba aakyat yung price niya bago ko mabebenta? Doon pa lang ako kikita. Dito sa forex trading, if you fail on buying, target the market if that is really good to sell. Pwede mo siyang gawing buffer. Natalo ka sa buy, babawi ka sa sell. That is how forex trading works, and it's very advantage to us. Yung mga forex trader ha. Sa inyo nakikinig ngayon ng mga future traders, that is really advantage sa inyo. Kasi mag-fail ka sa buy, you can do it. Pwede mong bawiin sa selling yan. And later on, I will show you. No? Talaga ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga results ng trades. Then, sa ating trading platform, these are the 8 major currencies. No? There are so many currencies globally, but these are what we call the 8 major currencies. So first is what we call major pairs. Pares po lahat ha. Wala po tayong makikita na nagsusolo sa trading platform. Lahat po ng currency that we can see on the trading platform are all pairs. So for example, the major pair, we can call that certain pair if major siya. So the definition tells us that any major currency paired with US dollar, excuse me, is called as what? A major pair. Now, Our example is Euro USD. Any major currency that is paired with US dollar is called as a major pair. So how about others? Pero alam ko naman ata familiar na kayo sa mga currency na to eh. Itong euro, itong GBP that is pound, AUD, Australian dollars, NCD is New Zealand dollar, USD is very common. CAD, Canadian dollar, CHF is Swiss franc, and JPY is yen. No? Meron tayong, so cross pairs. So after meron tayong major pairs, meron din tayong tinatawag na cross pairs. So ano itong mga cross pairs na to? So any major currency paired with another major currency except US dollar. So katulad nito, uh, pag ang NZD, JPY pinagpares mo, under pa rin siya sa cross pair as long as hindi kasama ng isang pair na yon si Zino, US dollar. So, Summer, saan ba maganda i-tradean dyan? Yan yung mga tanong eh. Good evening, Sir Clement, no? Don't worry. Parang nandyan pa lang tayo sa mga like first 3-4 slides ng ating presentation. Okay. So, let's go back. Summer, ano bang pinakamagandang currency na ipagta-trade dyan? Okay? Saan ba maganda? Sa major pairs or cross pairs? Most of the time, especially me, I do tradings with major pairs. Fundamentally, ang laki talaga ng impact ng US dollar globally. Okay? Kahit sabihin natin maganda ang forma ang itsura ng Australian dollar sa US dollar, but in terms of like tawag nito, yung mga connections, iba si US dollar. So most traders really do trades with major pairs. As long as US dollar is present at that pair, pinagtatrade nila. But there are also na mga traders na hindi nagtatrade under US dollar. Fundamentally, ayaw kasi nila ang daming issues with United States. They want more like tahimik na mga lugar na wala masyadong issue para makapag-focus sila sa kanila. There are such thing as that, okay? So it depends depends on the learnings that you will receive, you will gather under Sky Alliance Market for the future webinars. Saan kayo banda doon? Anong pipiliin nyo na currency? Pero syempre, meron tayong tinatawag na exotic pairs. So, ever since hindi pa talaga ako nakapag-trade sa exotic pairs. So, ibang ano na yan. So, pag hindi kasama sa 8 major currencies that are called as exotic pairs. Kasi na globally, we're doing it, the trades global. And, ito na. One of, akala nyo, ano lang ha, akala nyo fiat money lang ang tinetrade sa forex trading. Anong fiat money? Paper money po. Okay? Akala nyo paper money lang ginagawa sa forex trading. Pwede din na gold, ita-trade mo sa US dollar. Gold, ita-trade mo sa Australian dollar. Ano pa ba? Silver, ita-trade mo sa US dollar. Meron din pong ganyan. Okay? So, sa mga nakakaalam ng symbol doon sa history ng trade ko kanina, that is the symbol of gold versus US dollar. Later on, makikita nyo pa rin yun kasi papakita ko yung sample ng aking mga trades. So commonly, tina-trade outside of Forex. Pag sinabi mo kasing Forex, we're just focusing on like major and cross pairs. So sometimes, and most of the time, marami din trader na nagta-trade ng gold. Okay? Mas malaki kasi ang value niya. Right? So, at least meron kayong konting idea. Moving on. So, before we will proceed, okay? Kasi I will really give you an idea how to execute, how to do trades, how to like read market. This is basics pa lang So sa basics pa lang, dito, tuturuan ko na kayo ng basic. Kasi kahit ngayon, at this level of my trading, gamit na gamit ko pa rin din. Okay? But first, let's discuss this muna. Kasi tatalon kayo doon, hindi nyo alam ang mga ganitong terms, tatanungin kayo, hindi nyo alam ang mga ganito, wala kayong isasagot. So first, let's discuss with the spread. So the spread is the difference between the prices. As we discussed earlier, yung transparency na makikita nyo sa trading platform, iba yung price ng buy, iba yung price ng sell, right? So the difference between those two prices are what we call spread and also a fee for company service. Binabayaran po natin. Okay? So, ang binabayaran natin is like sa trade natin. But the good thing is, Sky Alliance Market, we are on the medium level of spread. Ano pa bang mga basic example I can share you? If you're like ordering Amazon, mahilig kayo mag-order sa Amazon, Shopee, Lazada, Foodpanda, any, Grab. If you like click a certain item like worth 100 bucks or 100 pesos, then after which that item will be delivered into your address. Then pagdating ang babayaran is like around 150 bucks or 150 pesos. That 50 pesos is what we call like the spread para sa mga food panda because they are doing service for us. So there's sometimes katamaran natin to go outside to buy for something and much easier sa atin na nandyan na lang sa bahay because of this pandemic. We will ask others to do that service for us. So in return, we will pay for that service. It's just the same here na hindi po tayo or just impossible to do trades if you don't have broker. So that is one of the service that the broker can offer us. Isa pa lamang po yan ha. Take note. So outside of that, kasi sa ibang trading industry, ibang ano din ng Forex, I don't know. I don't want to mention really anything kasi sa mga idea lang ng Forex trading, outside of spread, may mga tinatawag pang commission. So what is that commission? Commission is like, for example, you profit like $5, $5 at this certain trade. Ang mara-reflect sa balance mo is around $4 na lang. Kasi may kukunin pa sila doon na fee outside of sa spread. But good thing here in Skylands market, what will be the in our broker, actually what will be the outcome of your trade with that currency, sa inyo po yan talaga. Makikita nyo talaga yan, magre-reflect on your history. Diretso kagad, rekta kagad sa balance. For example, $5, you close that $5 trade and you've started around 500, no? For example, you've started like 500 bucks to 1,000 bucks, no? Nagsimula ka ng ganun. So, nag-profit ka ng $5 to $10, yung 1,000 mo magiging 1,100 or 1,050. Kaagad yan, rekta. Kasi kagabi, I observed like may nagtanong how we can see our profits, how we can withdraw our profits. Ganun yung tanong. So it's very transparent. At in your account, in your trading platform, you can see kung magkano ang outcome, possible outcome ng balance nyo if mag-positive trade kayo. Lahat po ng details. And the withdrawals is also easy. You can see that on our website. Kasi iba po yung sa trading platform na access, iba din po sa website. Doon sa website, if we will decide to withdraw our profits, doon tayo magre-request. That is for your own security. Kasi may mga alam ako ng mga company na iisa ang access sa trading platform at isa ang access sa website that is very dangerous because if there will be other person that will know the logins of your trading platform, madadamay yung ang sa website natin. So sa website natin doon tayo nagre-request ng withdrawal. Okay? So much with that. Here, percentage in points. Paano natin malalaman ang value ng currency if nag-change na ba? Kasi most of us Filipinos, Filipinos or individuals were like doing exchange currency. Papalit ko tong lapad ko. That is like Japanese yen into peso. And we're focusing more on the whole number. Ano bang whole number? Kahit sa US dollar into peso, dito tayo minsan nag-focus talaga sa whole number. Kita ba? No? So that is normal for us. Kasi wala tayong pakialam sa digits sa the digits after the decimal point. Wala tayong pakialam dyan. But if you really do the math, for example, papalit ka ng US dollar today and kinabukasan mag-iiba ng konti. In the decimal point, may changes yan. Pero sa whole number, depende kung magkano. No? Minsan, same ang whole number, pero sa digits may changes. So dito, we will determine like the percentage in points, like what we call PIP. This is the unit where the exchange rate of the currency pair, no, na iiba. Unit of change, ang sabi, in a exchange rate currency. So for example, so ito example natin ngayon is hindi po ito sa base, right? If mare-remember nyo. Ang example natin dito, ito yung si quote. Okay? So for example kasi yung ating currency is Euro USD. So given na yan na ito si base currency, di ba? Fixed as 1. So ibig sabihin, ang makikita natin na tatakbo na price is si quote sa ating trading platform. Okay? So first, ano bang nakasaad dun? Ano bang sinabi sa definition? The major currencies, yan na. The major currencies except the Japanese yen are traditionally priced to 4 decimal places and the pip is 1 unit of the 4th decimal place. English yun. Masakit sa ulo. Okay, Tagalogin ko. Okay? So, sa major currency, do you remember sino yung mga part ano sa major currencies? Nahanap natin si pip o yung saan mag-change the unit from the decimal point pang ilan? Pang-apat, right? So, siya doon si pip sa major currencies kasi except Japanese yen yan ha. So, hindi kasama si Japanese yen in terms of determining the changes sa currency value. So, here in 1.12345, who can give me an answer saan kaya si pip dyan or sa percentage point where nag-change ang exchange rate ng currency pair from time to time. Dito muna tayo focus. So 1.12345. If you understand my explanation or how to determine the pip, saan kaya si pip dyan? Traditionally priced to 4 decimal places and a pip is 1 unit of the 4th decimal place. Ayun na. May mathematics pala dito. 'Di ba? Ayun. Lalabas yung mga ano natin sa mathematics. Sa 4 po, sa 4, sa 4. You can also observe that when you enter like banks or a certain shop in terms of like exchanging currency that hindi lamang yung whole number yung pinapakita nila, may kasamang decimal digits pa. Because dyan, nangyayari talaga kung magkano nag-change per day sa prices. Okay, so sa lahat ng sumagot, congratulations. From the decimal point, okay, from the decimal point, that is the number 4. So pag ito naging 5, that is already a 1 pip movement. Okay? Pag yung 4 naging 6, that is already a 2 pip movement. So ano ang purpose ni 5 dito? Ang tawag kay 5 o ang panglima na digit from the decimal point is like fractional pip. So hindi siya yung basehan. Okay? Kung sa seconds pa baga, grabe na example ko, no? Kung sa seconds pa, yung may pinakamaliit pa na seconds na mabilis tumatakbo, parang ganun. So hindi yun siya yung basehan natin ng changes. Now, let's go to the yen part. Bakit kaya except Japanese yen? Kasi sa ating example, gagawin natin ang example natin, Euro JPY. Okay? So our base is Euro, that the value is fixed as 1, and our quote is JPY. So this 1.1 euro is equal to 1.123 Japanese yen. Now, for the yen, a pip is 1 unit of the 2nd decimal place. Do I need to translate that in Tagalog or naintindihan nyo na kaagad? So, tanungin ko na kaagad kayo, saan kaya si pip dyan? Here, in this example, from 1.123, what number can we identify the pip or the percentage in point? 2. Second, from the decimal point, and that is correct. So, thank you so much, everyone, for your participation. And for that kasi, I really conclude and understand na naiintindihan yung sinasabi ko. And that really helps me a lot. No? As your coach, I'd really like to emphasize that kasi alam kong may natutunan kayo sa sinasabi ko ngayon. So, that is good. For all Japanese yen pair, ang pip is like from the decimal point 2nd place. Okay? Now, leverage. What is this leverage? One of the advantage of Forex trading is this leverage. It is like the broker will lend you something. Ano ba yung lend? Papahiramin ka ni broker kahit maliit yung starting capital mo. Okay? So Forex traders often use leverage to profit from relatively small price changes in currency pairs. So however po, so I'm very transparent here. We can amplify both profits as well as losses. So in the definition, there will be a possible losses in our trades. But through our learnings, okay, at the end of the day, in our experience that we can share you, our target is to have more profits compared to losses at the end of the day. Okay? So katulad ng ganito baga, itong nakikita nyo na image dito sa screen natin. No? Kahit ganito lamang kalaki yung ating starting capital, we can possibly have like this. So, para sa mga previous encounters nyo, sa mga ibang investment something, in Forex trading, that is possible. Okay? Possible. Take note of my term, possible. That is not 100% guarantee. Kasi sometimes because of our greediness, pera na sana naging bato pa. Profit is always um, given yan sa forex trading. Malaking profit sa forex trading given na yan. But how we will approach that profit in terms na hindi yan yung reason na babagsak din tayo. You get my point? So, like leverage, for example, 1 is to 400. So, if your starting capital is like 1, we can maximize that up to 400 na possible return that you can have. Okay? Hindi katulad sa stock market, 1 is to 2. 1 ang trade mo, 1 lang din ang babalik mo. Or 1 ang trade mo, 2 lang ang babalik sa'yo. Here in Forex trading, with the help of leverage, even though we can start like small capital, okay? Pwede kang kumita ng malaki. But we will see the danger there if that will be our approach. Lahat naman tayo naghahangad ng malaking kita, right? Okay? Magdi-disagree mo kayo sa akin, but kahit ako, naghahangad ng malaking kita. But let us look at the bigger picture. If may advantage tayo in terms of leverage, but how about if kahit kaliitan yung starting capital natin, but we are aiming for bigger ROI? So, with the next slide, I will see you paano. Okay na tayo sa leverage, no? So, take profit. No? Before we proceed with the example that I can give you na kahit maliit yung kikita trading mo, pwede kang kumita ng malaki. So, take profit is like the term profit. No? Kung sapat na sa'yo yung profit, you can close it anytime you want. You can also set that automatically. Paano ba automatic? But automatic summer. Kasi katulad yan, busy ako. Katulad ngayon, nag-trade ako. Tapos gusto kong pumunta ng CR. Magsaset lang ako automatic profit. Kasi once na matamaan yan dyan, close, automatic close. Pwede naman manual, close it anytime you want. So the same with stop loss order. To limit our loss, we need to have like stop loss. It is just the same with if that loss is that nandiyan na yan sa limit mo, you can close it manually. And also you can set that automatically. So Summer, the question is, every time you will execute trade buy or sell, is it necessary to set take profit and stop loss? As a newbie, yes. Okay? That is my advice as a coach. But if you are nandyan lang kayo sa harap ng unit nyo, wala naman kayo masyadong gagawin. Just like manually estimate kung saan price, that is like under MT for navigation kasi no. How to estimate like in terms of prices. So we will discuss it in the future din naman. So manually you will estimate that kung saan ng level yung limit loss mo. Pag umabot dyan, you can close it manually. Or you can set it automatically. It depends on you. So at that certain time na natamaan or nag-close ka, take profit man yan or stop loss, matic yan. Pag nag-close ka ng trade, reflect ka agad sa balance. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Wala nang delay kumbaga. Alright? So, next, the lot size. Ito na ngayon. Ito kasi yung ini-input natin sa ating trading. So, papakita ko sa inyo what will be the advantage and the danger if we will start small capital but we are aiming with bigger return. Hindi po masama ang mag-umpisa ng maliit. Saan ba rumerekta yung, saan ba galing yung malaki? Sa maliit, di ba? Pero, paano natin gagawin yun? As a mindset of a Chinese person or Chinese people, may mga Chinese ba tayong kasama dito? Negosyante talaga yan sila. Paano lumago ang kanilang business? Kahit sentabo yan, kahit piso yan, talagang iipunin nila yan. So, hindi masama ang mag-start ng maliit. As long as you are target, like from time to time, small, para lumaki at lumaki. Kasi problema natin yan, as one of the mindset, na mindset natin na kahit maliit yung ating starting capital, we're aiming for bigger returns. Is it possible to start a sari-sari store and you're aiming katulad ka ng earnings ng SM Mall in a certain day? Is it possible? No, right? Hindi ano yan eh. Hindi posible yan eh. So it's just the same with Forex. But in Forex, pwede. But there will be a danger. So how? So lot size is a Forex is commonly traded in specific called amount lot. So basically the number of currency units you buy and sell. So with the help of leverage, for example, I started kasi kaya ko magsimula eh. Sa negosyo kasi, pag kaya mo talagang magsimula ng capital, huwag kang mag-alinlangan. Kung kaya mo. Kasi the bigger capital you will start, mas malaki yung possible return natin. Ganun lang naman ang hanap natin eh. Nag-i-aim tayo ng malaking capital, wala naman, return. maliit yung capital natin. The bigger capital you will you can sa start mo. That is more advantageous for you as a trader. Kasi possible, mas malaki yung babalik sa atin, di ba? So, ganito mangyayari. Halimbawa, nagsimula ako ng, ano bang, like, range, no? $500. So, $500. What is our leverage? In Skylands market, we have 1:400. So, in terms na, ito yung mga required na units for trading under micro lot, mini lot, and standard lot. With the help of leverage, if this 500 is the one, if we multiply this into 400, how much is that? So the ratio will become 5 times 4, it's 20 plus 4 fours, 4 zeros that become 1, 2, 3, 4. 200,000 units. That makes you can able to trade with just $500 in the highest standard lot, in the highest lot size that you can trade with. So, anong pinaka-highest dito? Itong standard lot, pinakamalaki. Okay? So, meron ka kasing 200,000 of units and the standard lot size requires only 100,000 of units of currency. Now, ang ini-input natin sa ating trading platform is not the units but this one, volume. Take note, ang ini-input natin sa ating trading platform is not in the unit side but it's on the volume. So, let's start with the micro lot. Lahat sabay-sabay tayo. Tutok tayo dito sa pinakamababa which is the lowest trade that we can start with. So the units necessary to trade requirement is 1,000. Meron tayong 200,000 units of currency with the help of our leverage. So 0.01, the value of 0.01 is equivalent to 10 cents dollars. Okay, uulitin ko. If ang ilalagay natin na 0.01, ibig sabihin nag-trade tayo ng 0.10 I like 10 cents in terms of dollar. So how about if I will put like sabihin ko ayoko ng 0.01 summer, gusto ko ng 0.05. Pwede kaya 'yon? Pwede 'yan. Now, I will ask you this. If 0.05 ang ilalagay ko under micro lot size, magkano kaya equivalent yan sa dolyares? Kasi ang 0.01 is 0.10 cents. How about 0.05? 0.5, just the same. So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang pala, hindi porket nag-trade ka sa micro lot size, ito yung pwedeng requirement na i-input mo. So, take note of this, especially sa mga baguhan. Pag nasa micro lot size ka, magre-range yan siya sa 0. Just understand nyo na lang ha. 0.01 ranges, 0.01 up to 0.09. So, pag dyan ka, yan yung range na nilagay mo per trade. That is per trade, guys. Ha? Under pa rin siya sa micro lot size. Pinakamaliit na lot size na pwede mo i-trade. Kasi pag nag 0.10 ka na, 0.10, hindi na siya under sa micro lot. Dito na siya sa middle. Mini lot size na ang tawag sa kanya. So sa trading platform, wala kayong makikitang micro lot, mini lot, and standard lot. As long as memorize mo yung like digits, like pag nag 0.10 ka, mini lot to. Pag nag 0.09 ka, under pa rin to sa micro lot. Ganun lamang yun. Okay? So, proceed tayo. Mayan na tayo sa mini lot. So 0.10 cents pag 0.01. How about if the market moves either up or down, depends on the trades, like 10 pips? Kasi nakasabi dyan, 0.01 is 10 cents dollars per pip. How about if the market moves 10 pips? The outcome for that is how much? Tingnan ko nga. Hindi muna ako mag-explain. Baka may makakasagot na kaagad if that would, how much will be the outcome for that. Sige, nag-trade ka ng 0.01. Ang sabi sa 0.01, per pip is 10 cents dollars. If gumalaw yung market ng 10 pips, magkano kaya ang outcome? 1. So, your answer is tama. Tama po lahat. So, is this 1 is a positive or negative? It can be. Okay? It can be. In terms of positive side, as a newbie, okay lang yan. Why? Kasi nga, we are still on the process of our learnings. We are applying the theories that we are learning. We are applying yung mga learnings na binibigay ni Sky Alliance sa market sa atin sa pagte-trade natin. Kahit maliit lang yan. No? That is the starting point, stepping stone nyo yan kasi.
Yung maliit na yan. Pero the good thing is the brighter side for this one is try to imagine if pag na-negative yan, your $500 become 501 if that will be a positive trade. But if that will be a negative trade, it is just okay. 499, what is $1 out of 500? Kasi pwede nating bawiin yan. You get my point? As a newbie, as a beginner, our approach minsan kasi is aggressive type. But look at the bigger picture. Katulad yan, nag-aral tayo ng engineering. More on theories tayo. Gamit ba yung functions up to functions to zero up to limit? Nagagamit ba yan most of the time in the actual ng ating trabaho as an engineer? Sino ba mga engineering dito? Correct me if I'm wrong. But I think I'm right. Okay? Like, ipo-provide ni Sky Alliance Market all of the course you need to learn in forex trading, especially coaches do share also their techniques how to do trades. Grabe, napaka-advantage na yon sa inyo. Okay? And suddenly along the way, you will discover also your own technique in tradings because we have different approaches on the market. Iba-iba yung isipan natin. Okay? Iba ako mag-isip dito compared kay Adrian, kay Christian, kay Claire, kay Aaron. Iba ako mag-isip. So, we will have different approach on the market. Okay? So, I think that is understood already, that micro lot. Let's move on to the second one, mini lot size. 10,000 of units, we have 200,000. We can trade with mini lot. So, it starts with 0.10. 0.10, if we put 0.10 our trading platform, the equivalent per pip is how much? $1 per pip. Take note for this. That means 0.10 ranges starting from 0.10 up to 0.90. That is under mini lot size. Kasi pag nag-hole number 1 na yan siya, dito na yan siya under sa standard lot. Okay? So, titingnan natin, no? Pareho ba yung result? So, how about if the market moves the same? 10 pips. No? Pareho lang. Katulad ng ginalaw sa micro lot, 10 pips. Pero iba na kasi mini lot size na yung ginamit natin. 0.10 nga lang ginamit natin. No? So how much is that? How much will be the outcome if we use 0.10 as our volume in trading? This is per trade po ha, hindi po ito general trade, per execution ng trade. So we need to check our volume always. So that is $1 per pip. If the market goes 10 pips, yes, that is true. $10. So $10 positive and negative. So in terms of positive, $10 is just a single trade. That is how much? 470 plus pesos in present value of peso to dollar. So 500 becomes 510 in just a single trade. Not bad. But on the negative side, how about if we will lose $10? Your 500 becomes 490. Still, hindi siya ganun kaliit katulad ng micro lot, but still because of our balance, pwede nating bawiin yan. 490. Iilang trades pa ang magagawa natin dyan. Sayang yung pinag-aaralan natin kung babagsak mo lang lahat yan. Okay? So, masasabi ko dito, medyo okay. May kurot na konti yung negative. Kasi sa positive side, medyo may uplift na tayo ng konti compared to micro lot. What is $10 compared to $1, di ba? But in terms of negative, yes, we can say that is okay pa din, but may konting kurot na. So how about standard lot? So let's discuss. Continue na tayo sa standard lot. That is a one whole number, and the equivalent of that one whole number, if we will put this in our trading, in our software, the equivalent for that is $10. So imagine if nalagay nyo is whole 3 number or whole 5 number. Whole 5 number, that would be $50 per pip. So dito muna tayo sa $1 per pip. $10. So the same, if the market moves 10 pips, pare-pareho lang, no? Pero nag-iiba ang outcome because of that size. So $100. $100 in just a single trade. This is just per trade, single execution. Grabe, isang trade lang, 4,700 pesos na kaagad. That is like isang lapad sa Japan. Around isang lapad, tama ba? Ano pa ba? Napapaisip na kaagad tayo, no? Kung may tatlong sunod-sunod ka na ganyan, $300 na kaagad. Aba, okay lang pag positive. Okay? talagang celebrate ka kaagad. 300, tatlong sunod-sunod na trade, $100. Pag positive, $300. Grabe. Isang araw, $300. If that would be a positive trade, your $500 will become $800 after like 3 trades of the same output. If that would be a positive. Doon na lang tayo sa isa. Single lang. Sa single trade na lang. Baka malito kayo kagad. So your 500 becomes 600. Wow. 4 na trades na lang. Bawing-bawi mo na yung capital mo. Di ba? Tama? How about, ito na. How about if this will be a negative trade? Yun na. No? Because of the leverage, we have the advantage to trade bigger even we have small capital. But what is the danger within? This is what I'm telling you earlier. Hindi masama mangarap ng malaki. But the problem is, with our starting capital, nangarap din ng malaki, maliit naman yung capital natin. What is the danger? If this will be a negative trade and the outcome is negative $100, your $500 become 400. So ilang trades na lang to pag patuloy tayong ganito. Halimbawa, nasundan ka ng 2 failure or 3 failure. Ilang trades lang to, di ba? And our capital is really on the grave threat, deeper danger in losing our capital. Yes, the advantage of the leverage is nandyan. Bibigyan tayo ng possibilities to earn big even we have small capital. So if your approach in forex market is I want to earn like bigger. So if you can start like $500 to $1,000, you can hindi naman tatakbo yung $1,000 mo, makikita mo naman sa trading platform mo kasi yan. Okay? Nandiyan lang yan eh. It's how you will make move with that $1,000 to get more bigger and bigger. But the advantage is different from small capital. Kasi sa small capital, as your coach, I would really advise you to trade smaller. Palakin mo muna yan bago ka mangarap ng malaking ROI. Okay? But if you target, dito pa lang, nakikinig pa lang kayo is malaking ROI na. Hindi masama mangarap ng malaki. I repeat. But you need to start a capital kung kaya nyo na malaki din. If that will be your approach. Hindi ako namimilit na mag-start kayo ng $1,000. Hindi po. If your approach, think of it, if your approach with the forex market is to gain bigger or to gain more compared to others, start also big. Kasi there are times hindi talaga natin maiiwasan na may mga failure. Katulad nito, $500 lang. Pero nag-fail like consecutive 2 trades. So like kahit 10 pips lang, $200 minus 200, your 500 naging 300 na lang kaagad, no? With just 3 failures of trade. Hindi natin maiiwasan ng failure kasi present yan eh. But the good thing is, if malaki yung capital natin, okay, kaya nating bawiin yan. Problema dito sa maliit na yan, hindi lang sa maiisip natin na babawiin, kakainin pa tayo ng ating emotions. And we are discussing that type of learnings, hindi lang po lahat ng knowledge, ng technical side, itong mga ganito ang tinuturo namin sa forex trading. Because as an experienced forex trader, if you are down in trading emotionally, emotionally, it is just the same na magre-report ka sa office mo, na galing sa bahay, magkaaway kayo ni Mrs. Pagdating sa office mo, sisigawan mo yung kasama mo sa office na inosente naman, wala namang kaalam-alam sa nangyayari sa buhay mo sa bahay, sinigawan mo lang sa bigla. That is also the same in forex trading. Yes, we are aggressive in learnings in terms of like theories we are giving you, but trust me, if you are down emotionally on trading, that will give you 80% chances of losing in forex. Hindi po ako magsasalita ng ganyan kung hindi ko yan na-experience. Yeah, you are very lucky to have coaches who have experience in trading here in Sky Alliance Market. Kasi nga, sino ba naman ang coach na magtuturo? Kung saan siya nadapa, ituturo niya pa ba yun sa inyo? Kung saan siya nadapa? Siyempre hindi. Ang ituturo niya sa inyo kung anong naging solusyon niya sa pagkadapa niya na yun.